Well, here we are. We're sitting here talking about Perry Brothers, and of course, Perry Brothers has been in Dunn since January the 2nd of 1956. I came from Sanford and organized the tire store here. Stayed down on the corner of Cumberland and Broad Street for 54 years, and I moved in a new location up at 205 Powell Avenue. We've been here for 6 years. We're real pleased with the move. As you know, Walgreens bought my old location. It has been a pleasure for me to have served in doing business in Dunn for 60 years. I'm proud to be here. I love Dunn. I always have since I've been here. I've been associated with a lot of different things, banks and so forth. In fact, a lot of people call me BB&T, bricks, banks, and tires. And but Perry Brothers is real. They had really enjoyed the location here in Dunn, North Carolina. Is that all right?